this recipe, we'll be making fish acqua pazzo. You'll need some grape tomatoes, some sliced onions, some Italian flat leaf parsley that's chopped, some crushed garlic, crushed red pepper, and a beautiful piece of salmon. Place the salmon in the saute pan. Add your onion, your grape tomato, and your garlic. Just a little crushed red pepper and some salt and pepper to taste. Now you want to cover it with boiling water and put the lid on. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's check the fish. Acqua pazzo means crazy waters, and this is where it gets its name. Needs another 2 minutes, so let's cover it back up. It's been about 10 minutes. The fish is perfect and ready to be plated. We're ready to finish off the dish. Some flat leaf Italian parsley and some extra virgin olive oil. This is a delicious, healthy dish ready to be enjoyed.